Mom straight clowning. Mom straight clowning. I really am, baby. I really am. Thank you. I'm gonna put that on the Black Bible. Oh shit, Jesus. Enriched with protein. Oh shit, Jesus. Yeah. That's blasphemy, baby. Did my head still hurt? Nah, I cut my temple and a bunch of like black stuff came out. And then it was like yellow and green. I hope not no more. I overcame every disease I've ever encountered that I knew about. And I didn't know. I just threw up yeah, I'm gonna get right. I'm gonna get right. I'm gonna get right. I pray. That look like a dirty needle, homie. I don't do that. I did that in like my like 20s, and I was bad on it. Why am I saying? I don't know. I don't eat. I don't ever eat. I got muscles. Y'all got nice. Y'all got real nice muscles. Y'all got real nice. I'm pretty handsome. I'm gonna get handsome because right now I'm sick. But I don't think I'm sick no more. I did. I went to strips and took what's mine on like prostitutes to like start a fire. Dad, I knew I had that because she had and beat him. But shit, I think I'm over it because I shot myself in the stomach, stabbed myself, took like a gas to the neck, and then I threw up. Yeah, I think I'm good. I threw up the oatmeal rainbow. The oatmeal just thick, just wholesome, look like grits. But brown with white dots. Yeah, I threw that up. It's AIDS, homie. I threw up AIDS. And I threw up the brown one, and the doctor was like, where the black one? And I said, my head hurt. He said, I got something you can do, and you can probably do it. So I gashed my temple. I like gashed my temple with a knife. I lived, homie. My head hurt so bad. What are the attributes of livingness? Cool. Nah, I ain't, but yeah. I got like nothing else I gotta do. I'm gonna cut my belly. I'm gonna get the nicest little fit, the nicest little skinniest red fit, with some slim thick legs, a little booty. Nah, I ain't putting nothing in my butt, but I'm gonna get like a little like bubble butt, and then I'm gonna cut my belly button. I'm gonna get tatted too, for real. Cause I ain't never lost on how much of claims, Glocks, and sets. Yeah. I didn't get a good try and walk on or whatever. I got the rose cut. I'm one big scar, but I'm gonna get all my tabs. I'm gonna get all my tabs. I'm 36. I lived everything. That's the last thing I ever had to do in my life that I could live being and doing this. If I did die. And like that. He did it. Universe. Three-way. He me on my three-way. But that's that. Short. Tight. Nappy. Yeah. Not that. We love each other. Hey, Nikki, you real? I remember, yo. I ain't seen nobody in like, I don't know, more time. No, I'm not sorry, that. How much? Like 5. I mean, like 20 off. What I do, I dubbed it for like hundreds. Maybe like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 100. And then I sold like little big bags for like $1,000. And they paid for it. They got what they got. They got good. They got that. They ain't get over on me. I ain't get over on them. It was just a fair, even deal. My head didn't hurt that bad. Just put all of it. Of course, Mom. Tired of starting. I'm sorry to the time. I'm gonna get my ties. I'm gonna go get my ties, make y'all look like an idiot. Yeah, I'm gonna go get my ties. What time? About 3. I'll be back. I'll be done by about 5, 6. I'm gonna go get my ties. That's my AKA, man. Just to go right there. That's my forevermore after all time. That's why they do that. I'm happy you like telling me what's up, but I'm already here and shit. So I do what I want. I mean, I really don't need to know you. Okay, I don't really care. I mean, it's like whatever. So, alright, far down my leg. I'm down the back. My leg gets in. You can't be here. I ain't got no scars when you here. Yeah, that's all y'all came here can't be here. All my scars disappear. I get cold and then like rubbed. My leg gets in and shit. I turn white back in the bathroom when y'all came here. No, whatsoever. You doing magic. I'm not scared shitless or what. I'm not scared shit. Like nothing. I'm not scared shit nothing or whatever. So I'm gonna get 10. I'm good. About 3:18. So I'll be back up 5. I ain't showing you shit, man. You give me yours or whatever. You know, I talk to you like that, you know. Not a bitch. I'm not a bitch. My baby mama, that's her choice. She wanna do what she do. She can do what she do. I ain't gonna tell her no. I ain't gonna tell her not to do nothing. That's her decision. She make a choice. So I'ma shoot all y'all. What's that? Like now, like if you keep stepping and don't leave, I'ma shoot you. I'm giving you an opportunity to live and leave. Alright. Just like that. Just like that. Watch this. Just like that, Yeah. There you go. She law. She law, Chris law. Folklore. Folklore. Seven Kings. Five Nights. 21. Black Prince. Mm-hmm. I've been knowing what's going on. Y'all put me to sleep trying to pump me for my hands and shit. He felt real or whatever. Then you get hog tied to a bed talking about this is what they did to me, like Marshall and this her daddy or whatever. It's your fault, homie. You should be trying to pump gangsters. Good, I saw it. I finally shot these niggas. I feel good. Finally shot these niggas. That popped me, that did all that got me sick, that they throwing up all this miscellaneous shit that I'm not like. They like posted to the right type, like not doing anything, ain't nothing in their lap, their hands all in the air. You know what I'm saying? So, I try not to do anything about it. Poke with their left hand in their pants, a little remote in their hands. I'm not doing. You look like me trying not to do anything at all. I ain't even trying to communicate with you. I don't even know you. I ain't even trying to talk to you. So no, nothing's up. Put your hands in your pocket. I break this gun every time you niggas come over. I feel it. It was in my pocket or whatever. Shit, oh my God. I pull at 18th Street every time these niggas come up. They fairies. I mean, they fairy boy bitches. And UGK was talking about, that's them. That's specifically them people. I'm throw a black Bible in. What's up? Stand to God. Stand before God and say that. Just the outcome and turn this TV off. Just the whatever they gonna come up with next or whatever. Tell me I'm real. Tell me I'm not real. They gonna ask me if I'm up. They gonna ask me if I'm up now. That's all you gotta do. That really don't piss me off. I just don't know you, don't know who you are or whatever. Why y'all asking? Why would you ask? So you ain't nobody to me. That's like out right there or whatever. Now I got this little voice in the background. Like a narration in that bitch. A narrative. You know what a narrative is? It's a little voice in the back of your head that give you wisdom. So I can get it. So they could think I was white. That little Abby girl, she like real money. She a little toss up bomb. A no-go got you started, nigga? She got boo-boo. I'm not a girl. I mean, there's no no-go for a boy. I just get my ass whooped. I know y'all tried to throw a knife at my foot like 19 times or whatever out here. It'd be like, you don't go. That's a girl. I'm sorry. You was like talking to a girl telling me like, that's what's up. I'm a boy. When they talk to me, get your hands out your pocket or something. I'm not trying to compromise with you. I don't know you. I just shoot you. It's the conversation over. Once the conversation, when you asked me about what's up, and like that was done. I knew you wasn't. We know who you is right there. Damn. I ain't gonna say nothing. You gonna stop talking shit, bitch? Okay. You fuck my bitch. I got you. Now you shit yourself. I can't do what? Talk to you? I'm playing. Nah, you figured something out that's not real. You figured out what we was lying about. All this. Nah, nigga. You figured out what our hands were that we made up for each other or whatever. You figured out what the hands were from it. We talking to each other. We made this between us. But it don't work in the world. You look like an idiot. I know that. That's what I gave you so you could go to the block or whatever and get your ass plugged. Like, bugged, homie. I'm happy you don't know what I mean. I'm a misunderstood nigga and I'm off my square. Get it twisted. Ain't no blunt, homie. Ain't no blunt. We ain't people. Me and you, we ain't friends. You gonna come back and do what I did right here with your little friend. That's like a hen right there. That she is yours. She can get it too. You gonna smoke like me if I do it, so it just ain't happening. That's what happened with them. They started smoking like me and doing all that and thought they was real. Because they figured, I don't know. I didn't tell you to do that. I can't make you not do anything. That's your decision. It's your decision. You made a choice. That's choices. You made the decision to do it. What I gotta do, why do I wear blue? Because you pop me or whatever. I have to have some way that they can know I'm blue. You know what I'm saying? I have to have some way they know I'm on this. Because it worked like that. Brandon and I know each other. I have to have some way some stranger can know I'm blue on a block and live. That's not it. Take all my blue. My people will give it to me. My people keep me in blue. I had to tell them that too because you trying to take all my ranks and shit. There ain't no ranks in Mississippi. All these savage ranks, all these baby blue ranks, all these black and blue ranks, all these pinned up pants, all these bandana outfits is mine. And we just following you around looking for the next one or whatever. You can get it too. Now, I'm not. There's not too many of us with ranks and shit like that. That's my outfits. The one you got on. But I'm gonna hit you up hard with that because I'm not told all my people and everybody know. Lose them. Do what you do. Burn them. Trash them. I don't want them no more. Because you a faggot and that's how the world reflecting now. So I'm gonna stay blue now. Kim on blue shirts. White tees. Your mama gonna beat your ass. She catch you thugging. I have to live with this. I have to keep pursuing, otherwise I die. I know that's all you trying to do is get me killed. You said you got to told you that you can't. So that's that. That's that. Yeah. Hey, it's over, girl. We is no more. There ain't no us. Don't wrap me up in your little white legs or whatever rub you got and rub my hand. It's over. There ain't no love. Don't fuck with none of my kind. They calling you. Your phone blowing up. And you don't fuck with none of my people. Don't fuck with me and none of my kind. Ain't no crippin'. I don't give a fuck what you do in the gang. That's all fly. That's all Latin King shit. Go suck all they dig. Do what you do. We ain't no more. Goodbye. That's that. I'm sorry. That's that. There ain't no resolution. There ain't no conversation there. I'm gonna shoot you and all your people if I see them.